Sample!
Hindi na. Anong gusto mong kantahin?
Pangyo.
Gusto mo, interviewin ka na lang namin?
Hindi! Wag na daw.
Wag ganon, di masakit.
Pero ito na lang. Papahappy, Kimi!
Yes, of course. Let's do this!
Let's do this! Brace yourselves because we have another set of special guests. Please welcome from Marvel Universe Live, Ricky Flores and Brandon Glass!
Hello, guys. Welcome to Showtime.
And welcome to the Philippines. Hello.
Hey, Brandon and Ricky, would you like to greet our Madlang people?
What's up, Madlang people?
So good!
Ang ganda sa tenga. What's up, Madlang people?
Oh, pareho lang. Sakto lang.
I love the accent.
Hey guys, Ricky and Brandon, we heard that you have some good news for our Madlang people.
We do have some good news. This June, let's show appreciation to our heroic dads by spending time with them. Get ready to assemble your family and bring out your super heart and super spirit for the first time ever must-watch Marvel Universe Live show in the Philippines.
Whoa! When is this happening?
It will be held from June 6th to the 16th at the SM Mall of Asia Arena. You may get tickets at the SM.com and any authorized SM Tickets outlet nationwide.
Ayan.
SMTickets.com.
Yes, smtickets.com. And?
Absolutely. And you can also visit mallofasia-arena.com or follow at MOA Arena on social media.
Oh, that's gonna be fun. So bring your whole family. And thank you once again, palakpakan natin for Father's Day, Ricky Flores and Brandon Glass. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. We can't wait to see the show.
MC and Lassie, may sasabihin ba kayo sa guest natin?
Guys, keep it up. And
MC.
you deserve it. I'd like you to meet that Nightcrawler. He's Nightcrawler.
Nagulat siya. Nagulat yung bisita na. Sabay.
Pero si Nightcrawler, di ba?
One more.
Nightcrawler. Incredible Hulk.
Ricky and Brandon, I hope you enjoyed our little show. But of course, go and see the Marvel Universe Live at the SMO Arena. Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Yes! Grabe yun, no?
Ano?
From Marvel to Marvel.
Mga bida natakot sa kontrabida.
Takot sila sa inyo.
Ayusin lang
Hindi pa
gano'n
natin napakilala.
Sino?
Si Ant-Man.
Wow!
Para si Ant-Man.
Nakakatawa yun, ha? Nakakatawa.
Hindi.
Oh, ito na, Ant-Man. Yan na.